Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X972XX. 16,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Cajun Red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back holds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can even be folded from the rear with a simple pull of the handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And home link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.